In this video, I'm going to show you how to use speech selection on the Mac. If you want text to be read to you on the Mac, you first need to turn on a few settings. You first want to head up to the top left hand corner and click the little Apple logo and come down to System Preferences. From System Preferences, you want to click Accessibility, and on the left here, you want to click Spoken Content. Now on the Spoken Content page, you have a few different options. From the top here, you can select the spoken voice. You can also select custom, but some of the voices will need to be downloaded. You can also select different language voices below. However, I'm happy with the voice at the moment. You can also listen to the voice by clicking play.
Hello, my name is Daniel. I am a British English voice.
You can also select the speaking rate and the volume here. However, to get text spoken to you, you want to click Speak Selection. Now with that ticked, you want to X this away, and in this demonstration, we'll use the Apple website. So to have text speaking back to you, you can highlight the text, then right click and come down to speech. Then you want to select Start Speaking.
Our most advanced dual camera system ever.
Or you can also select Options and Escape.
iPhone 13. Overview switching to iPhone tech specs. By iPhone 13. Our most advanced dual camera system ever. Durability that's front and center, and edge to edge.
With no text highlighted, it will start to read the whole of the page to you. You can then stop it by selecting this X here, and that is how you get the Mac to speak text to you. I hope that video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the like button below and check out this next quick Mac tip.